Many people believe that belly dance was first practiced to help women prepare for childbirth. Because of the intensive movements in the abdomen, the strengthening of the abdomen, people believe that women used belly dance to prepare for childbirth. And also people believe that belly dance was a fertility dance. The movements kind of tend to have people believe that it worked for fertility. Also, still in Egypt, at some weddings, the belly dancer will come and the bride and the groom will, or the bride specifically, will touch the belly dancer's stomach. It symbolizes fertility. This is not known for sure. We don't know exactly the origins or the reasons that belly dance was practiced initially, but this is what people believe. There are many different types of belly dance. There is the belly dance practiced in Egypt, also different stylistically type of belly dance in Lebanon, Turkey, Morocco. Even America has its own form of belly dance called American Tribal, and that's a bunch of different forms of dance put together, including East Indian. So there are many different types of belly dance. I particularly have focused on Egyptian style, and this DVD I've taught mainly Egyptian style. But there are also a few other little nuances from other, maybe a little bit from Lebanese, a little bit from Turkish, because they all borrow from each other. Belly dance is very good for strengthening the core, the center of your body, because it's focused around the center, the hips, the stomach. It really strengthens there. It builds stamina for those muscles on the side. Kind of those muscles that we in the West tend to let go. It's also good for cardio. If you continue dancing, if you work up a sweat, you're breathing, it's a nice exercise. It's also good for many different body types. It doesn't need a specific body type. Some dances I know prefer to have a very slender, slim body. And belly dance almost needs a bit of meat, you know, just so you can see the results of the movements you're making. I think it's lovely because it builds self-esteem. It builds self-esteem. And because you are a single dancer, at least some people dance as a soloist. There are troupes. But it also builds a sense of individuality because it's not standardized. You can pick and choose as you like. Once you learn the basic movements well, you can start to build on those with your own character, with your own style, with your own flair. So that's nice. If you decide to dance in a group, then you have a sense of community with the other women who are dancing with you. And I think it also exposes you to other cultures. So for me, I've had a huge exposure to Middle Eastern culture, music, art, media, because of my interest in dance. And I think if someone is interested in pursuing that, they can find out so many different amazing things through the venue of belly dance that they didn't know about a different culture, Middle Eastern culture in particular.